Phishing is a type of online fraud that attempts to trick users into revealing confidential information, such as passwords, credit card numbers, or social security numbers. Phishing attacks can come in the form of emails, text messages, or phone calls. Phishing emails are often disguised as messages from legitimate companies, such as banks, credit card companies, or government agencies. The emails may contain links that, when clicked, take the user to fake websites that look like the real websites of the legitimate companies. Once the user enters their personal information on the fake website, the phisher can steal it. Phishing text messages and phone calls may also be disguised as messages from legitimate companies. The messages may contain links or phone numbers that, when clicked or called, connect the user to phishers. Here are some tips on how to avoid phishing attacks. 1. Be wary of unsolicited emails, text messages, and phone calls. If you receive a message from a company that you don't have an account with, or from a company that you haven't contacted recently, it's probably a phishing attack. 2. Never click on links in emails or text messages. If you need to visit a website, type the URL directly into the web browser's address bar. 3. Be suspicious of emails and text messages that ask for personal information, such as your password, credit card number, or social security number. Legitimate companies will never ask for this information via email or text message. 4. Hover over links in emails and text messages to reveal the actual URL. If the URL doesn't match the company that the message is supposedly from, it's a phishing attack. 5. Keep your software up to date. Software updates often include security patches that can help protect you from phishing attacks. 6. Use strong passwords and enable multi-factor authentication for all of your online accounts. If you think you may have been the victim of a phishing attack, contact the company that the phishing email or text message was supposedly from immediately. You should also change your password and enable multi-factor authentication for all of your online accounts if you haven't done that yet. Here are some additional tips that can help you avoid phishing attacks. 1. Be careful about what information you share online. Phishers can use information from your social media accounts to create more convincing phishing attacks. 2. Be aware of current phishing scams. Phishers often target people with scams that are related to current events or popular topics. 3. Educate yourself about phishing attacks. The more you know about phishing attacks, the better equipped you will be to spot them and avoid them. Stay safe, stay secure. Phishing is fun. Being phished is not. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.